Your Shark Matrix 2-in-1. Robot Vacuum and Mop needs one thing to work its best: to be clean. Let's clean your robot vacuum step by step and get it running like new in just a few minutes. Start by wiping the sensors, charging contacts, and navigation module with a dry cloth to remove dust. Next, open the brush roll cover. Take out the brush, clean away any hair or debris, and then reinstall it. Detach the side brush to remove tangled hair or threads, wipe it clean, and snap it back on. Rotate the front and drive wheels while brushing away dirt. Empty the dustbin regularly. Tap the filter clean and wipe the bin with a dry cloth before reinstalling. For mopping, remove the pad plate, replace or wash the mop pad, and secure it back in place. First, unplug the base and clean the charging contacts. Empty the bin once a month, rinse the filters with cold water, and let them dry for 48 hours before reinstalling. Press the button on the filter door at the side of the base, tilt and lift it off, then remove the post-motor filter. Tap it over a trash can, rinse with cold water only, and let it air dry fully before reinserting. Clean monthly for best performance. And that's it! Your Shark Matrix 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop is now clean, fresh, and ready to get back to work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below. See you in the next one.